some pissed off flow son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow son.
I see them long hard times to come.
So what's up, everybody? Sitting here at a red light, doing nothing. Oh, finally, on my way to work. It's been a while since I made a video on my way to work. I don't like doing it because it gets dark, and I know at one time people didn't mind watching the later videos, darker videos, but I don't like doing them. But anyways, still on the fatbob. See, I rode it yesterday. Didn't put too many miles on it. Rode it to work tonight. I'm already ready to make a actual review video about it, but I said I'd give it a good shot before I really started bashing it. And you remember, this is my buddy Ryan's bike. You know, I know he's pretty proud of it, and he knows that, you know, I'm pretty honest about my videos or what I'm doing in my videos, especially if it's something I don't like. So I'm going to give an honest opinion. It might grow on me in the next couple weeks, but we'll see. As of right now, at this time, I am not impressed. But I've been feeling like Harley-Davidson been going down the hill ever since they got rid of the Dynas anyways. And I understand that they're trying to appeal to the newer generation, millennials, younger generation, stuff like that. But I don't know. Anyway, so 600 subscribers, finally hit it. Actually hit it over the weekend, I believe, maybe last week, I don't remember. Last I checked, I was at 602. Haven't really grown since I hit 600, but hey, I'll take it. So thanks to everybody that is subscribed, that constantly supports, watches, comments, stuff like that. It's much appreciated. But these handlebars are so wide, I don't like it. I have not got this bike up super fast yet. I'm still trying to get kind of a fucking open gap here. Let's get 100 out of it. One reason why I hate Harley-Davidson. 110. Got the standard Harley fucking death wobble. Fucking shit. God damn it. Y'all can't fix that? Seriously? Fucking stupid. I mean, I don't have it on my bike, but my Super Glide, my Dyna Super Glide had it. A couple other bikes had it. I know some other guys, they bitch about it on their bikes. Usually it's around 100. I hit 110 and there it was. Fucking ridiculous. This is why I'll never buy another Harley-Davidson again. I'm over Harley. I've owned a lot of them and I'm over it. Just ridiculous. I know this bike is governed at 125. But I can't even do that because at 110 it wants to try to kill me. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I was saying thanks everybody, you know, for all the support. It's pretty good. Y'all support me over on Instagram. I've been having a huge influx in followers on Instagram. Now, a lot of them are not from this country or even motovloggers or people that ride, but from different countries. And I'm thinking mainly, like, I mean, I don't know, you know, I look, but I can't tell their language. So, you know, like Arabian or Indian or Iran, Iraq, I don't know. They ride small bikes. But even then, you know, they're following me, so thanks. One thing I do like about this bike, it is nimble. You can move it around. I like that. Why is my LCD screen staying on my GoPro? I turned that off. Whatever. Anyways, you know, I thought I'd just make this one a real super fast, quick one. It was supposed to be mainly about the subscribers. It wasn't supposed to be about this bike at all, but because I want to do, you know, a proper video review of it. And we'll see. You all will see exactly how I feel about it. I think you'll already get kind of the gist of how I feel about it. I hope the wind noise don't suck. I forgot about how windy the variant is. Here I am running 79, 80 miles an hour. Gotta be quieter than the fucking airflite. But before it gets too dark, as usual, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you comment. I love the comments, so please make sure you comment. No, I'm not the best at replying. I always say I'm getting better, I'm getting better. I am trying to really get better, I really am. But I never know when people comment. It doesn't notify me. I have to go back in and look. If my YouTube studio don't notify me, YouTube don't notify me. So please share if you want to. If you don't, well, fuck you. Did I hit everything right? Oh yeah. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. My goal of 700 is the minimum I want for this year. 1,000 is the most I want this year. So help me get there. And as usual, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.